Good morning to all my dear colleagues. Today I am preparing this video to share the information about designing of e-resources. I have attended an online course on designing of e-resources that was conducted by Zite Mumbai in the last month. It was 6-day course. In that we have to do self learning and then submit assignments which is given by course director on daily basis. Today in this video I will give you short introduction of the new things that I have learned from this training. For the brief descriptions, please go through the all videos that is shared by me in the attached Word file. On the first day, we have learned about managing files and folders, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, then recording narrations on slides and converting PPT to videos. We all are familiar with this. We know about how to create folders, then what is MS Word, MS PowerPoint. These all things we know already, but if you go through the video, definitely you can find some new thing from that videos. For me, recording narrations on slides and converting PP to videos, that is new thing. So I will recommend you please go through that videos. That is my request to all. Then I have learnt about OBS software. OBS is abbreviation of Open Broadcaster Software. It looks like this. We can create or edit video in this software for e-learning. The next thing is Google Drive. We are also familiar with this Google Drive, and if you go through the video, definitely you can learn something new. That is, how can we upload files, how can we upload folder to the Google Drive, or how can we create some Google Docs or Google Sheets. That all things we can learn from that video. The next thing is Audacity. This is an audio software in that you can create your own audio lessons. You can use some sounds that can make your audio lesson more effective. The next thing is Google Form and quiz using by quizzes.com. We all are aware about Google Forms. We have made some Google Forms in the last month. From few days we are using it. And the new thing is quizzes.com. If you go through the video, you can learn how to make Google Form and how to make quiz by using quizzes.com. Okay, this is the quiz which is prepared by me for the assignment that I prepared in quizzes.com, and About Google Form, we all know how to make it. That's why I am not showing it this video. This is the new and interesting thing that I have learned, that is hot potatoes software. Okay, it will look like this. In this we can make homework exercises. Okay, how to use this software or how to share these exercises to the students, that you can learn from the video. Okay, in this we can make quiz. Okay, I have taken the screenshot of quiz. Quiz will look like this. Okay, and all these are HTML file. In this HTML file we have to share to the students and they will solve the quiz. The next is gap filling exercise that we can prepare by using hot potatoes software. It will look like this. Next is crossword. For crossword, actually I was taken so much effort to make it, but when I use this software, so I feel that it is very easy to make crossword by using this software. So it will look like this. You can see the first question, man's best friend, and we can see three word space is given there. So student can think and write his answer there and then click on enter button. So everything about this you can go through, please go through the video and learn by yourself. The next is matching exercise, then jumble words. Okay, it is the jumble word, that is textbook, but jumble words are given. Students have to drag it and make the correct spelling. So these are the interesting things that we can share with our students, and we can make our learning joyful. Then I have learned about H5P software. That is one website. In this website I have created some flashcards. Okay, the above is one link is that like this link we have to share to the students. So the first question is identify this game. So student have to write their answer there with correct spelling. What we have observed when we join here, mostly the students are writing FOODBALL. So they are calling it football. So their spelling also we can check here. So like these flashcards we can make. Then we can make some filling the blanks exercise by using this H5P website. Then how to use it or how to create account there, that all information is there in that attached word file videos. So I would like to say thank you to our principal sir, Mr. R.C. Meena, for giving me chance to attend this training, and I am requesting to all my colleagues, please go through the videos for the benefit of us and the students also. And thank you to all for watching this video. Thank you.